Okay, let's repeat what we just said in the text format in a real life example. So let's say you find a very interesting site or plugin or a product that you want to advertise, like let's say this site with this local geo-targeted pages generator for WordPress, and you want to advertise it. And you get to an agreement with the webmaster of this site, so they'll allow you to insert the tracking code, the tracking snippet into their site. What you need to do, go to your admin dashboard, get the inner pixel tracker for WordPress sites. You simply click on this copy button once. Then you fire up your favorite text editor, paste it, and because the site you want to advertise obviously has a URL, this one's computers howto, so it's easier to simply name the advertiser as a part of its URL. Go back to your text editor and change wherever it says your partner domain. In most text editors you can simply select this part, click Ctrl H or type Ctrl H, and replace your partner domain with computers howto, or however you want to name your advertiser. Then click Replace All, and at this moment every place where it said your domain or your advertiser domain is replaced. You click again Ctrl A, or you could have said Edit, select all, and then copy. Okay, so you copy the entire selection and you can go to the WordPress site of your advertising partner to paste it. Now, presumably you have access to your advertised partner's backend. You can go to the dashboard. There is a plugin called Header and Footer Injection. You can go to Settings, Header and Footer, and you can simply inject or insert your code. It has been previously inserted here, so obviously you saw part of it. In the head section you simply press Ctrl V, or you could have selected right click and paste as plain text, and then you go down to the lower part of the page to the bottom of it and click on Save. Now at this moment, even though you previously, if you went to statistics, you had nothing in the advertiser list, from now on you will see every visit to that page. Let's see what happens if we go to Google and search for that specific product. Local geo-targeted pages generator. Hopefully it will be found somewhere around the top. Look, it's on the first, second, third, fourth placement. Now, even though I am coming to that site from a Google search engine result page, at this moment the fact that this page has been visited in your advertiser site, for full transparency, will be completely transmitted to you, and you will see it in your administrative dashboard. So if you click again on Stats Options, you'll see that the computers howto estate or so-called entry already appears here. All you will have to do to see what that specific site has done in your little private blogging network or whatever you're working with will be to select the site you want to see details about and select some data, like from which date to which date. Today, yesterday is always automated. Show details or just the counts. Let's make an example with showing the details, and you see, you can immediately see visitor's IP address, what page was visited, where did the visitor come from, at what time, what hour of the day the visit occurred, was the visitor with a browser that is capable of displaying AdSense ads or not, was it a mobile page or not, obviously I was on desktop, how many distinct pages were visited, how many of those were with AdSense, and in case the visits will be made from bots or from people who don't allow the displaying of ads or total restriction for JavaScript, they will appear here at the no script restrictions. So it's so easy. You find the page you want to advertise, you take the piece of code, copy it, go to your dashboard and copy the code, then fire up your favorite text editor, replace the your partner domain with a descriptive or label name for the advertiser that you're about to insert, and that's it. Basically, you go back to the site, inject the header that you've just copied previously, and that's it. You can start tracking the visits.